Pressed for time, but want to learn something new in the kitchen? I think it's time for a quick tip. Today we're making ghee, or clarified butter. Of course, the first thing you'll need to start with is butter and a pan. And those are the two ingredients you need, that's it. Put your 4 sticks of butter into a medium saucepan and put that saucepan over low heat. Keep it low and slow. And when I say slow, I mean slow. So once your sticks of butter are in the pan, about 25 to 35 minutes this process will take. The butter will begin to melt and then foam. And once you see that foam start to rise to the top, you can scoop it away with your ladle or spoon, and that clarifies the butter. For a final clarification process, put a strainer onto a glass container covered with cheesecloth and pour that gold, buttery goodness through that cheesecloth to catch any of those extra milk solids that might have been left behind in the pan. And there, glorious golden ghee.